Welcome back to Carol Cooks. This is episode 6. I'm in my resolution clothing because I need to lose these baby elfies. Yes, I do. But I love to eat, so I'm just gonna have to portion control. Today's recipe, let me show you something. Santa brought me something awesome. In my stocking, he left me a Pillsbury Vintage Bake Off cookbook. So today, I'm gonna make a pie. No resolutions. I'm gonna make an onion pie. Isn't that so nasty? It's called a fork and finger onion pie. I'm excited. But what's really weird, if you look at these ingredients, I don't actually see it like a raw onion. It's got onion soup mix, but not a raw onion. First, we slightly beat 4 eggs. That's the little drummer girl. Next, 1 2/3 cup of sour cream. 1 cup of shredded cheddar. Next, 2 ounces of pie Mentos. I just can't help myself. Sorry, that was bad too. I bet you're wondering why I'm doing this. It's because I can't find pimentos at the grocery store anywhere. This is like the last 2 times I've been, they're hiding. Add the pimentos to the mix. 1 teaspoon of caraway seed. 1 envelope of 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour. 1/2 cup of mashed potato flakes. Oh my god, I can't! I did another pie joke. That's ow! Bacon grease. 1/2 teaspoon of soda. 1/2 teaspoon of regular salt. And 1/2 teaspoon of garlic salt. Next, I cut in the butter. Portion control. Yeah, there goes that resolution. So now it says I need to mix it until it resembles dry crumbs. Okay. Look, it is starting to look like crumbs. Now I add 1/3 cup of sour cream. And now I'm going to stir until it forms a dough ball. So although the recipe said to stir until it formed a ball, that didn't work at all. So I'm using my hands, and that seems to be working some. I mean, there's still crumbs, but alright, here we go. Now I'm gonna press this bad boy onto this pizza pie pan. It said to use this or an actual pie dish. Okay, well, I'm not doing a very good job here. I'm gonna try the pie dish. Now he's gonna try it. Fork and finger onion pie.
Just take go towards the wow.
Alright, it's oniony.
Yeah.
It's like French onion soup.
Oh yeah, well French onion soup's good.
Salty and a lot of bacon. Not bad though.
Okay. Would you eat it again?
Yeah. Be good and breakfasty. It's very salty.
What you think? What you think?
What's the soy sauce for?
Very salty.
Very salty, isn't it? A little too salty.
Ew.
Okay, so not the best thing I've ever eaten and not the worst thing I've ever eaten. But if you are really into French onion soup and quiche, that fork and finger pie is the recipe for you. If you really like a lot of salt, that is the recipe for you. If I were to do it again, I'd probably omit a good bit of the salt. I'm actually wondering if the onion soup mixes back in 1968 were less salty because